Types of numbers. There are following types of numbers. Natural numbers. The counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Set of natural numbers is denoted by n. N is therefore n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Next, note 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. Which one is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. Note 2. 0 is not a natural number. Whole numbers. All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Together with 0 are called whole numbers. That set of whole numbers is denoted by W. W is the symbol for whole numbers. Whole numbers is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 continuous. Next, note 0 is the smallest whole number. Next, integer numbers. All natural numbers together with 0 and negative numbers are called integer numbers. The set of integer numbers is denoted by Z. The set of integrated number denoted by Z. Z is equals to less 5, less 4, less 3, less 6, less 7 continuation, less 3, less 2, less 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 continuation. Note, Z plus is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers, integers. Z minus is equals to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are negative integers. Even numbers. The natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. The natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 continuation, 12, 14. 2 is the smallest even number. 2 is the smallest even number. Next, odd numbers. The natural numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 1 is the smallest odd number. Rational numbers. Numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers are called rational numbers. For example, 5 by 4, 1 by 7, 3 by 8.